Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys a 2 weeks update on these Pure Tropix products I've been using for my acne. So this was pretty much my face before I started using the products. My face was starting to break out really bad and just getting spots that weren't going away, so I figured I'd give this a shot. And then this shot is basically what it looks like 2 weeks into using the products. I feel like it's gotten a bit better, the dark spots are getting lighter, and I did get a few new pimples here and there, but I also feel like these products have to bring out all the stuff that's already under your skin, and I'm just trying to be really patient with it. I want to finish with all the products before I decide my final thoughts on whether it works or not. So I might do another 2-week update or a 4-week update in 2 weeks to see what it looks like then. I just go in with the products, and then the rest of the video is pretty much me just showing you what products they are and what I do with them at the end of the video. So I go in with this Witch Hazel toner that I use on my face just because I feel like I need a toner, and I don't remember if I saw a toner on their website or not. So after I use the cleanser, I just go in with this toner and then continue with the rest of their products. Included in the kit is this clay mask that they recommend you use about 2 to 3 times a week. I don't really use it that often, or I wasn't really using it that often. I just started using it, and honestly it feels kind of good and refreshing once you use it and take it off your face. So I'm gonna be using this more continuously, and then hopefully this also helps with it as well. Anyways, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have tried this product, let me know in the description box. I'm still unsure about how I feel about this product or not. I don't know, I can't really tell if it's working just because I still have so much breakout and dark spots on my face and my neck that I'm still a little fickle about it. But anyways, I'm just trying to be patient. We need to go into this year with a clear mind as well as a clear face. So anyways, I will see you guys in my next video, and I wish you guys all a happy new year, and I hope you guys all have a great year and everything else. Bye bye.